Hi, welcome to Face AV with Stéphane Tremblay. Today I have the pleasure of having Bill Zhu. How are you, Bill?
Very well, thank you.
All right. So Bill is working for Christie, obviously, and Christie has been a long time SDVoE member. In fact, a founding member of SDVoE. So
Yes, sir.
can you describe us the history of Christie and SDVoE?
Sure. This is the 95 year of Chris Digital. So Christie is very most well known in the cinema. We are 60-70% of the movie theaters use Christie projection. And when SDOE was founded, Christie saw the quality and low latency advantages of SDVoE, and we signed up to be one of the founding members of this SDVoE Alliance.
Yeah, sure. Speaking of quality, Christie is also known for the big projector and the big displays that you have, which are tremendously high quality, but that must demand some flexibility also. Can you get an example where you use the SDVoE technology to drive those super high-end displays?
Sure, we offer SDVoE interfaces in a number of our products natively. For example, in our projector, we offered SDVoE interface natively. The benefit is you don't need to run a power supply to a receiver. So the projectors are powered by very big, a separate power circuit, and you don't need off in the ceiling, etc. So you don't have to run another circuit there to power the receiver. So that's one example.
Okay. So now I must assume you are referring to the Terra line of product inside Christie?
Terra is our encoders, decoder. They're based on SDVoE. And some of the differentiator Terra offers is it's very scalable. We have install projects with many hundreds of endpoints, and they're off one server, one SD controller server. So that's scalability is one main feature. The other thing is SDVoE is an open standard. It's not a proprietary. So you have more of a supply chain resiliency.
Yes, for sure. Can you a bit give us a good installation that you've done with SDVoE and Christie products to just so that our audience can understand the high end of your solution?
Yeah, so we have deployed SDVoE in a state government, a secure agency, and that's the one actually with hundreds of endpoints, right? We use it for distribution, so it's multiple floors of signal distribution. Also, we're using Terra to drive a video wall, and Terra has the capability to scale, so a signal can be spread across multiple panels. And for most of the larger video wall, it has to be large. We don't really need multiple windows in one display. And for our kind of implement, I would say 80-90% of the larger video walls, Terra is a good choice. Now you integrated the encoder, decoder, and video wall. It's a switch. So you replace the matrix switcher that also has KVM capability. So now you don't need a separate KVM switcher. So it's really one system. It's been working really solid, and yeah, customer really like it, and they can expand the system.
All right. So Christie is having a booth here at InfoComm 2024.
Yeah, we're in the West Hall as you walked in, and we're showing Terra on top of other processing equipment, our projectors, our LED walls, and we're also running a price special for InfoComm until end of July. We're offer extra discounts on the Terra product line.
Sounds amazing. Well, Bill, always a pleasure to see you. So thanks
Good
for
to
this
see you,
interview.
Steve. Yeah.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.